Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to solve one activity-based question from the topic quadratic equations. Today's point is how to obtain a quadratic equation by having the given roots. We know that if a quadratic equation is given, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. We have various methods by which we can find its solutions, that is either we can find the solutions by factorization method or by formula method or by completing square method. But suppose the roots of this equation are given and from that we have to find the quadratic equation, then how to find that quadratic equation? So that we are going to learn in this video, and we are going to solve an activity based on this. Now here, if alpha and beta are the roots of a given quadratic equation, then we can write x is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta, because these are the two roots of a quadratic equation. If we take alpha to the left hand side, it will be x minus alpha is equal to 0, and if we take beta to the left hand side, we will have x minus beta is equal to 0. As the value of any one of them is 0, that means the product of these two, that is x minus alpha into x minus beta, must be equal to 0. And if we multiply the binomial x minus alpha by the other binomial x minus beta, we get this equation, that is x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where alpha beta is a constant term and alpha plus beta is the coefficient of x. So this is the formula by which we can find any quadratic equation if we have the roots of that quadratic equation. The formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So that is written over here. When two roots of an equation are given, then the quadratic equation can be obtained by the formula x square minus into bracket addition of those two roots into x plus product of those two roots, that is equal to 0. Now let's have one example based on this one. Now the first activity is write the quadratic equation if the addition of two roots is 10 and the product of the roots is equal to 9. Now let alpha and beta, these are the two roots of this given equation. Now it is given that addition of these two roots is 10. That means alpha plus beta is given to be 10 and the product of the roots is 9. That means alpha into beta is equal to 9. So we have the general form by which we can find the quadratic equation if its roots are given, and the general formula is x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, that is equal to 0. So here alpha plus beta, that is addition of roots, is given to be 10. So here the coefficient of middle term must be 10 and the last term must be 9, which will be equal to 0. So if we simplify this, we get x square minus 10 into x, that's 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for which the addition of the roots is 10 and the product is 9. We have another activity. What will be the quadratic equation if alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 5? Now unlike to the previous activity, here the addition and the product of roots are not given. Instead of that, the roots of the equation are given, that is alpha and beta, these are given. So from this one we can determine the quadratic equation by using the formula x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, that is equal to 0. So here the coefficient of x square is 1 minus alpha plus beta, that is alpha is 2 here and beta is 5, so 2 plus 5, that is 7x plus alpha into beta, that means 2 into 5, 10, which is equal to 0. So if we rewrite this, we get 1 into x square, that is x square minus 7 into x, that's 7x plus constant term 10 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and 5. So this is how we can get a quadratic equation by having its roots. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.